Wow. I'm gonna do this storm. Look at that car coming. Wow. Look at that church. Put it over here too. I'm gonna head back in. Damn. Get that. Close that gate. Look. John, look at that cloud. John, look at the cloud. That cloud. Get that cloud. Look at that cloud. Get that cloud, right? Look at that sky go. Come. I'm Look at that cloud. Damn, it's getting dark back there too. It's getting dark back there too. I gotta pull it up right here. Get that right there. Getting the dark right there. Get right there. It's getting dark right there. Right there. Right there. It's getting dark right there. Oh, wow, good. Right there. You keep right there, but I'm real careful. The crowd back there. Just bear with me. Let this guy get a car coming. Like a cloud. I feel that wind blowing. What everybody do going? And look over there. Crazy. This is crazy. Look over there. Go to that crowd right there. Bring up, get that crowd right there. Crazy. Now the wind about to pick up. Go crazy. Go crazy. Look like a storm thunderstorm to me. I feel the wind blowing in my face. It's crazy. And look at that cloud. I gotta get that. Wind about to pick up. Crazy, crazy day. Feel raindrops. Or the wind picking up time. And the raindrops. Getting damn crowd already. Get a look at the tree, get the wind blowing. Wow. Look at that. Look at that cloud. Interesting. You interesting. Interesting. Then look over here too. Well, they get crazy. That cloud. That wind picking up. Look like a thunderstorm. Yup. Look like a thunderstorm. That's what I love about these thunderstorm ain't that bad. Them chicken. Now I know you heard that going on, that little chicken. Cause they always be acting up. Wow. Wow. Shoot. Man, I feel it hurting. They go crazy. It happen all the time. It happened. It happened all the time. Look over here. Uh-oh. All right, plane. I'll tease you. They ain't going for the cloud. Look at that break right there. Getting close. Having a good time. Cause you never know. You might not know who don't go. There, okay. Storm spot in the neighborhood. Yes, you do. You got a storm spot in the neighborhood. Don't call a storm shaker. You just driving right here. Everybody don't know that. Everybody don't know that. There's a storm shaker in the damn neighborhood. I really don't care. There is a storm shaker in the neighborhood. It's me. Ask a storm shaker. Everybody needs today to do my little storm shaking. Huh. Oh, they could go back on that free bill, yo. Look at that canal right there. Get off the camera. Did you see that right? A bird just flying onto the camera in front of the camera. On the phone camera. A bug. The one thing about throwing to about driving on the hill. Yeah, everybody driving over here. Throwing, shaking, benching. And welcome wind, God. I call that gate. I just keep walking back and forth. Go. Crazy weather. Crazy weather. Crazy weather. I'm gonna get back to where the bar at. I'm gonna head back in. Just before all this over with. this guy about there. So I hold the other phone in my hand. Oh, God about that. Oh, it coming. Get right here. Get right here. Get that shower right there. One little heavy shower. We'll get back over. Oh, shut up. Do it then. Alright, get it coming. Ain't no joke now. Oh, shuck. I'm in the car. I can't hold two phones in line. I can't not be doing this. And put this up. I could pot the doggone bill. Got you now. I'm in the car. I can't be holding it down like that. Holding it down. Holding it down. I really had two phones. One with the camera rolling. Don't ever do that. Like, do get out of could be in the damn. Where's it coming from? What's going on? What the heck going on around here? I don't know what's going on around here. I gotta head back in. Now, I'm like, they can get cool too. Well, it's a long video. It's a big long video. I head back. Go. 25-minute video. Now we're going to 20, now we're going to like a 30-40-minute video. You scared what's going on now? I ain't know. Ready to just get it crazy. But tomorrow is tomorrow gonna be a nice day. Go. Nice day of the tomorrow gonna be the nice day of the raining and wet weather. Go. Nice day. Kaya become I got to do a long video today. I don't even expect the video to be that long. I'm gonna get ready for next week. Then I got clean the kitchen. Everything gonna be removed. I'm gonna be filming like I'm gonna make 9, 10, number 12 videos. 12 videos in a row. It could go crazy with her. Uh-oh. We got a plane. Bear with me. I hear a plane going by. They get crazy. American Eagle flight. American Eagle flight. I don't know if that's strong or that look like Charlotte. That look like Charlotte to me. I'm gonna check on Flight Radar 24. Cause that look like Charlotte or Philadelphia coming in. Louisville, I can't tell. Philadelphia or Charlotte. I gotta check something real quick. It could look like a 30, not like a 30-minute big, over 30 minutes long. It's no joke. Go. This is what happened when you got bad weather nearby at the airport. You see this? This plane did skirt around because of the storm. Look now. Look at this. Look at it. That's why it's a Washington flight. Yeah, Echo Washington flight. I thought it was Charlotte, but it's Washington. I thought that was Charlotte or Philadelphia, but it's Washington. Like, this is really crazy. And how this redneck, this plane going around in circles, go crazy. Ready really flip. Go. Now it's coming in. Wiki now. What? They're turning the damn. They really go crazy. Two foot. I'm about to head back in because I'm not about to rain. Go. While we in the car, let's go crazy. I ain't feeling like we going to look like 40 nigga bill. A long bill, go. You can hear the raindrop falling. I'm going ahead and close that gate. Right there, I hear the thing like a long bill. Storm friends doing. Look like that storm Joe weekend. It's Joe weekend. I'm going to call it Joe weekend though. It's just a weekend storm. Going to close the gate wow. We kicking it in for the day. And like a last call. Storm Joe weekend, it's there. I'm gonna get that mad picture in too. I'm not cutting that off. I'm gonna get them. Jump banging. I'm just getting the mad picture. Too. Go back in the house. Head back in. Cause hear the rain falling. You hear the rain falling, so come on, bro.